This is one of the statues that we got from Anne-Marie. And John, ooh, wonky. Oops.
I can fly!
Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. I've got a little series I'm going to be doing on how to work smarter and not harder using a John Deere tractor. As most of you know, my channel is a little eclectic, to say the least. I have a lot of interests. My primary is my livelihood, which right now a yacht broker. I am a retired Verizon executive and got into the yacht brokerage business about 10 years ago. And I just have a bunch of interests. I like to fix things. I like doing DIY stuff. I love cars, trucks, you name it. But anyway, in this little video here, I'm going to be setting some big statues that weigh over a couple hundred pounds. This is one of them right here that we got from a yard sale. I got to do a shout out to John and Anne-Marie that they were really attached to these things. And I think we got 5 or 6 of them. And you'll see throughout the video. But again, they were very attached to them, but they know that they're gonna stay in Sundance in Waimama and be very well cared for by me and my wife. So yeah, it's a lot of work setting these things up. It took 2 of us to load them in my pickup truck. But yeah, we got them here. I unloaded them with the tractor out of the truck, and my wife and I busted our butts this Labor Day weekend to get everything installed the way we wanted it, and we're really happy with the outcome. Hope you are too. Please comment, like, share, set your notifications up. Would love to hear from you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let me and the tractor do the work. What we're gonna do here, these things, they gotta weigh at least 200 pounds maybe. So I am gonna see about lifting it up with the tractor. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. I was afraid to put it around her neck because it might have snapped off. So we're gonna do it this way. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna put it in reverse, put it in high gear. Put it in second, and we're gonna back her down. Don't want to get her swinging too much. Don't want her to hit the front of the tractor. Have a dog. What's up, Biggie boy? Alright, here we go. This is where Mama wants them. Put them right in the center of those 2 right there. Right about there. This is going to be the hard part, bringing it down.
Babe, I think I should be over there guiding it. I should be over there guiding it.
Is it okay that it squishes those? Watch your head too. Okay. All right. Stand by, folks. We're gonna get this arranged and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And there we go, folks. We got one set. We've got, how many more to do? One, two more big ones. And then we've got a couple of little gargoyles that we're gonna get set. And man, I got all this stuff from a yard sale. Then I bought a bunch of stuff there. Then I went back to cut some bamboo that I could use to stake all my fruit trees over here before hurricane season. Well, it is hurricane season. So I went back and they were pulling stuff out that wasn't part of the original yard sale, and I saw these things and I'm like, how much do you want for that? So anyway, I bought them all for $1,000 and couldn't be happier. So I will check back and I'll show you the next couple of statues that we place, and let me know in the comments if I got a good deal or not. Thanks for watching. Good morning. I'm gonna go grab some more of these statues and set them. I've got two more, well, 4 more to do today. So come on along for the ride. Let's get the old John Deere fired up. I've got some stakes that I've got to stick around back. All right, here's the next one. All right, let me go ahead and get him strapped up. Put it underneath here. I don't want to break his arms. I can fly! All right, buddy, slow down. Should be able to do it from there, I think. Here he is. What do you guys think of that? Is it straight? That looks pretty straight. Straight, or does it go to the left a little bit? A left? Yeah. Right, I'll adjust that. Better? Maybe too far. I'll come back. What are you crazies doing? Get him, monkey! Nope. Ankle biter. You an ankle biter? Hey. Hey. Hey, don't bite my toes. Okay, so this is a little shrine here. It's a cross, it's a little pet cemetery. All right, I'll turn this guy around. Oh boy. John and Anne-Marie, I thought this came with delivery and setup. A little bit more dirt in the back. Next, we're going to do the gargoyles. Got one of my nephews. You gotta stop with all the heavy breathing. Yeah, well, you go ahead. Do what I do. Here's gargoyle number 1. Go get the second one. There. Aren't they cute? Let me know what you think in the comments. I think these are cool. Probably weigh around 60.
A vase only a mother can love.
They're so cool. This is one of the statues that we got from Anne-Marie and John, and the dogs just finally saw it set up. Ooh, Bunky, Bunky. Who is it? You gargoyle? You my gargoyle? You my little gargoyle? Here's our other gargoyle. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.